surprise songs.
Yeah!
And this one was a bit jazzy, so I thought I'd move the surprise song up to the jazz club, of course. Does that sound like a good idea? I want to slow it down a little bit, and but this next song, it's a duet. I can't sing it alone. I'm gonna get a little help from my friend here, who's playing this week here. Is Benson Boone in the house?
Laufey has been very kind to have me on stage today. Thank you so much for having me.
We're gonna do a little something stupid.
I know I go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. Afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the same old lies you heard the night before. And though it's just a line to you, for me it's true and never seemed so right before. I practiced every day to find some clever lines to say to make the dream come true. But then I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and oh the night's so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and all the night's so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Though he was incredibly well dressed, I think that I'm going to select the best dressed guest of the night.